Welcome to my vlog! Hi guys! Welcome to another video. And you know the drill? Another video, another project. And today we are tasked to do a DNA origami. So, let's go. So, the materials we will need in making the DNA origami is scissors, a printed copy, and patience. A lot of patience. First step, get your printed copy and cut the sides, only leaving the template. Get it? Understood? After cutting the template, it will leave only this. So now, we will proceed to making the DNA origami. Are you excited? Yes, teacher. First, let us fold the center like this. Fold it carefully. Yeah, like this. And back to back na siya. And then next, let us fold kaning the vertical. Let's fold all the way to the end. Okay. And fold kanang sa thin line. Thin line ang kaning inner, while the black, the dark, the bold line. Hoy! Kay isa ka mas. So sa thin line ka piko. So now, after folding it all the way to the end, we will now proceed to the slanting lines. Yeah, just follow the guide. And also, again, sa thin line ni mo siya pikon. Sa sulod ang thin line, and dapat ang fold is di siya mulataw sa puti. So dapat si color ka. Napikot na ako. I have folded the diagonal lines. And now, we'll fold the white part like this. So, gawas ang may letters. Siya makaro. Sa gawas ni siya. And inner ni siya. So, fold it like this. All the way to the end, of course. That. And also the other one. Paggawas ang letters, yeah, we have folded everything, and makita ninyo medyo niporma na siya gamay. And the next thing, the very hard thing is to bravely look at this. Yeah, bravely. Okay, yeah, bravely into circular and circular. Make sure nga na-flat ninyo siya tanan before ninyo siya tada! Magic na siya, magic. And na sila, wag ka man nag-organize na kay replicated DNA. So that's all I think.